Hello, my name is Prajwal Dev. I am from section C. My roll number is 2401207. So my topic is bridging India skill gap, the road to employment. So India boasts the highest number of youth globally, but unemployment is a significant problem. Millions of graduates join the job market yearly, but the most struggle to find work despite companies complaining of a shortage of skilled employees. The gap between education and industry needs is called the skill gap crisis. So, why does this happen? Why do the company fail to find talent if there is a growing number of workers? Moreover, above all, how can we solve this? Let us look at the causes, solutions, and the problems in the gap bridging. So, what factors contribute to the skill gap? The answer for this is the mismatch between the school curriculum and the industry demand. Indian education system put great emphasis on theoretical learning but not practical training. IT graduates lack hands-on coding skills and are not employable in the IT sector. Company require trained technicians, yet most students are not trained accordingly. Sector specific challenges. IT sector 50% of the engineering graduates are not employable because they are poor programmers and are not analytical thinkers. In manufacturing industry, skilled welders, electricians and operators are in demand but go unfulfilled. In the banking and finance, fintech and data analysis introduce new skills, but not many commerce graduates are offered this education. Unemployment and economic effect. Many graduates take jobs unrelated to their fields due to a lack of relevant skills. This means an economic loss as India is not maximizing its demographic dividend, a workforce benefit that could propel world economic growth. How do we fix this? By industry academic collaboration, universities must join hands with industries to update curriculum and include practical training. Compulsory internship and apprenticeship must be increased under programs such as Skill India. Education reforms, schools and colleges must incorporate data analytics, AI, digital marketing and coding courses. Vocational training should be encouraged and made accessible. Government incentive ought to encourage business to invest in skill development programs. Leveraging technology for personalized learning. As AI-based learning platform can help individuals learn at their own pace. Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn learning websites should be integrated into the school system. If implemented on a large scale, India can become the world hub for skilled professionals. So, what are the obstacles to education? Challenges we must overcome. Resistance of the traditional institution. Universities resist changing old curriculum. Restricted access in rural areas. Numerous students have restricted access to online education and competency-based training. Financial and social barriers. Vocational training is undervalued and many students can't afford additional courses. Conclusion and call to action. The path ahead India can be the skills capital of the world, but we have to do something today. Students need to take responsibility for acquiring the right skills. Industry must invest in upskilling and policymakers must incorporate skills in education. The future of India workforce is in our hands today. Let us close the skill gap and unleash the India full economic potential. Thank you.